Akwaba bio Adom TV suni ye femme writer amenyo Rafael Jela Centru Campesta Creative we asinina presenter ye chassis e free England obeka ya Manchester City weekend we omo ya nwade Premier League no e England no omo ne crown omo champions we e fourth successive season a omo atimi agi league no e England ko yie pa ne sa so ntino Pep Guardiola coach edema team no ono ene mpanifo ekotuntuntu no mabona baso se manager of the year no ese edema Pep Guardiola Sergio Manuchu wonkomo yimu nchiremu
we kan wa empen toso enum ene Joseph Pep Guardiola ne sa manager of the year enei wabaye coach a wotoso mienu e wabakose mu e England o kaya enkane Man United wo mu coach Sir Alex Ferguson ebra na wo ye training de mabobokuo no oje sa abasubo yi empen du baako enti ono ne dikan Spain this year Guardiola oba EPL ni mu ekoni mfie nwotwe so ani nanso abakose ma wabaye no adutwam oje Premier League ne to so 9 empenifo se wapomo de ne pa eno nti ne de to so onum manager of the year no wasa temabo no bo a enei Manchester City kitafo nyina omo papa yi chawo se ne contract ya kan fie ba akono enka won tratramu ese ne be ya owura se Alex Ferguson ne record da ho no papa betete no na osan ye foforo
ewo Chelsea fo akache enra na juda sum ene nkomo free UK by se Chelsea fo ne Mauricio Pochettino a wo yo matene yo coach o ma party way say mutually o mu na ko ben krumu eno mo kire se Mauricio Pochettino the season under review o mo kohwe ne nyuma a wo ye no nyade a obetimi abodwuma na ye ena Mauricio Pochettino na nkasa believe se empenifo pese okodi obe contribute ase papa iko o sign 2 years contract de di kan ne first season ene wawie kana 1 season wa kire se nka wie but empenifo so obe ko nanka owo another 1 year so extended but empenifo se na dwuma ne de enso ani do wa qualify ko Europe de but boy no enya de se ultimate Chelsea e bridge na so Emmanuel Tay confidence e o munchiremu
Ingrata empenifo erebetu dwano ama Chelsea supporters no ehwa adwurom season no eba ne wieye no na Chelsea modimbo no ewosoro ye pa eno eboai Chelsea boboko na enei womo qualify edi omani ekirem ewo Europe nanso enei Mauricio Pochettino ni apoto kasem ye kano mutual consent enti onwate womo hasia papai eja boboko no ne senti no coaches afoforo bi nso atwe omutie pia womo ehwese woma be Chelsea head coach
Yanko Real Madrid fo akache omosebofo gina mfimfini o chapas e mane ko yie pa wasan gina mu e de ma Germany e Toni Kroos abe announce se Euros na ye ko e o Germany no ye wie Euros ne pa wa hanging boot ontiment waso ensi akan emfa Real Madrid e na afenso Germany man ne bi Euros na ka less than a month na abaso Toni Kroos se odi adwuma ne ABC ano no
Womse Euro 2024 no Toni Kroos edin eka squad omkwako jirem ati o man Germany enim nanso ya dia brantia no e won Instagram post kire se after Euro 2024 no obe retire e de fi national team ni mu obeka ya 2014 ya dia Toni Kroos ejit World Cup edi ma Germany boboko na enya fedi agrokra enei eba ne sa na ato abesenyo edi ama Germany boboko no esanse bedding seni manimu ya ombenyo bi ti se Toni Kroos no akwa den edi ama man Germany.
On the 1st of June, when we say UEFA Champions League final, Yadababa, Asampa 94.7 FM, Kukuru machines, no, and Yankukun Kakari na Kupim or Tema Community 9, a T Havana, a honey game will be free up by we Madrid fan, we Borussia Dortmund fan, we a team will be a fan, with Jinamu, our Champions League Noir, your Tonsa Edia Fro, our T Havana, Tema Community 9, Shannon Soma Messas and FM. Bapa yamra fie ni nkomo kakra de national under 17 side the Black Starlets and rather omugina okono omone Benin ene hyesi akan we under 17 wafu zombie afcon ekoso e Ghana na je se emu ye de pa ye first game Ghana winning 5-1 over Ivory Coast and a second game Ghana as winning 2-0 over Benin na coach okita team no like Kingston and odem komo kakreba after se utimi enya sa victory na dem o man Ghana.
dispatched by Adisa. And then they switch play to the far side. Looks like Nabi can get to it. He goes and tears off again. He beats a second. Lays on the pass through the middle. This should be it.
Too much quality.
Pass finds captain Chivanyo, who does very well, holds on to it. Buffer finds his colleague. Through the middle now. And you notice, Josiah, that just after the goal, they're keeping it tight, they're keeping it careful as Ghana come forward again. Another opportunity for a shot on target. The avalanche of goals has begun.
Moments ago, we're talking about the pace.
The Juniors play, it's very difficult to read them, you know, because you don't actually see exact what they wanted to do, but they wanted to go forward when they have the ball. You can see their centre back, they launch the ball. If necessary, there are three big, strong guys right in front. Kick the ball to them. I like the way my back line dealt with it. Also, beginning we were playing three in the middle. The two attacking players, they were a little bit high from the beginning, but later parts they drop a little bit so that we can have a lot of options in the middle. So for me, like I said earlier on, I want us to be calm enough. The way we want to play, we want to be calm enough. Sometimes it's very difficult to play. We have one or two challenges with the way the ball moves on the pitch. It's a bit slow. So it slows the way we wanted to play. But for me, I think we dominated play today. Unlike against Ivory Coast, that in the first 45 minutes, it was 50-50. But in the second half against Ivory Coast, it got much better. I know the way I want my team to play, and I know our team have dominated a lot of opponents most of the opponents that we've played. Sometimes opponents counts in the game, but we always want to control the game, and today I think we control the game much better than against Ivory Coast.
Na clubs atimi ahyom ho yi se na be ya club license ne ye adwuma Ghana na afin so CAF ebetimi akoyi CAF for Confederation of African Football na mo nsa hyase interne na eba na wie Ghana ha ye de dwuma di na hyehye so na enra no section no woni me se omo bie mu ma member associations na baaye ebe kire omadwene kakra implementation methods success ne best practices ne challenges omo faces omo the club license no ye adwuma online platforms ne so omo be use pa de course so enra da kakra.
I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad I'm at the workshop of the CAF Club Licensing online platform. This is a very, very big game changer for the Premier League in Nigeria, and I'm sure it is for other leagues in Africa. Contracts they've signed with players and they sacked the players without properly going for no sporting reason. These are things that will all change the way football is run and the way it is accepted on our continent.
Ghana yamputi team no sebe kafra che yenuanom a wo mo adidem o makopie mu e wo Egypt a woni me se we Africa amputi Cup of Nations e koso e wo Cairo na omo kire mbobere pa aduru semi-finals obra omo kire Algeria e bo mo kanu mo Algeria antimi ante ba kokora Emmanuel Tai confidence e wo mo nkire mu
AFCON Kessia Ekoso ewo Biman so Egypt edema amputee football team Ghana Black Challenge akwa kopiem ohonoma enye fedi agrokra 3 games a wode ehhehye so no oma bom homoden edinkunim ewo ni nyina mu a enei oma kopiem ewo knockout stage a edaya wada ombehia Tanzania omde atentam so enei Ghana amputee team no ena ye defending champions a omo akantam se womo bebo mo homoden na feedia no so oma san agye esi omna so we enye se trophy sakeke esanso eye qualification edema 2026 World Cup.
Yemfasa da kese ema game park games omokan ho pa ena no pen so watie nka ena fen so Hit FM rep your Jesse 2024 dey eba so onime say 13th edition Hit FM ena power kai national so ma say finals of the UEFA Champions League no Dortmund ena fen so Real Madrid intime pa Joshua Jesse na ode ba be grace occasion e be koyi pa aviation social center Hit FM for rep your Jesse no yenina yebom na yede aba yenyina we so ne yemfa ne so so FM writer Amenya Rafael Centro Campesta Creative we are seeing any